started drinking at 8 o'clock this morning.
Here's to the broken man who stood and walked when he heard you can. 'Cause it shows me that faith is more than sight. Here's to the through the darkness of the night. Hold your hand up to your heart. I know it's just a chance to start. I know that it might feel like it's too hard.
Oh my god, so red.
That's that.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Me too. I'm drinking like way too many beers.
Oh my god. Okay.
All right. So let's first introduce the best man, Meldwin Turner, playing the bagpipes, followed by the groom, Alex. Awesome. So now, let's welcome the groomsmen. And now, let's welcome the beautiful bridesmaids.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip, now she twerking.
Now it's time for the flower boy.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated
Now,
like a punk,
please
you know,
rise,
that's unheard of.
those that are sitting, and let us introduce the bride.
I wanna come home to roses and dirty little notes on post-its. And when my hair starts turning gray, I'll say I'm like a fine wine, better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents.
If you cry up, stop it.
As many of you know, my brother passed away 12 days ago. It's really hard being here without friends and family from back home. So, before we get to the happy part, I would just like to ask my best friend Mal to come out, pay tribute to him, and take a moment of silence.
We'd ask to just take a moment of silence.
to the people that couldn't be with us today.
So thank you. Please be seated and let's get started, okay? On this day, we offer gratitude for the blessings that have been bestowed upon Jessica and Alex. Jessica, please repeat after me to offer your commitment to Alex. I, Jessica, take thee, Alex,
I, Jessica, take thee, Alex,
to be my lawfully wedded husband.
to be my lawfully wedded husband.
I take you just as you are,
I take it just as you are,
and in every form you may ever be.
and in every form you may have to be.
You're lying. That was a lie.
That's what my finger.
I, Alex, take thee, Jessica,
Take thee, Jessica,
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
You are the light in my life
You are the light in my life
and the beat in my heart.
and the beat in my heart.
I promise to tend to your weakness,
I promise to tend to your weakness,
just as I applaud your strengths.
just as I applaud your strengths.
I promise to reach for your hand
I promise to reach for your hand
when I am lost.
when I am lost.
I promise to show you
I promise to show you,
day in and day out
day in and day out,
that you are my everything.
you are my everything.
On this day, I give you my heart.
On this day, I give you my heart.
I now pronounce you lawfully and spiritually united. Please seal your marriage with your first wedded kiss.
Someday we could all be free.
I now give you Mr. and Mrs. Jessica and Alex Wade.